Okay, so what are Ethernet cables? So an Ethernet cable is a cord that runs from a router, modem, or network switch to your computer, giving your device access to the local area network, or also known as LAN. So to put it in simple terms, it allows users to physically connect their computer to the internet. In addition, they're almost always faster and usually more stable than Wi-Fi connections. But why would you terminate them yourself if you could just buy pre-made ones? Creating them yourself can cost less and allow you to create your desired length. The materials needed to terminate Ethernet cables are your desired length of Category 6 cables, at least 2 RJ45 Cat6 connectors, an RJ45 Ethernet crimper, a cable stripper or stripping tool, scissors, but preferably metal scissors because they tend to work better, and if accessible, a cable IQ qualification tester. First, measure 1.5 inch from one end of the cable and strip the plastic sheath using the stripping tool. Next, push all the wires down and cut the white plastic in the middle as that piece is not needed. After that, you untwist all wires. After untwisting all 8 wires, straighten all the wires. After that, your wires should look something like this. Next, arrange the wires in this specific color pattern. Since we are creating straight through Ethernet cables, we will be using the RJ45 pinout T568B, which is commonly used in the computer industry. After you arrange the wires in a specific color pattern, trim the ends, making sure the end of all the wires are straight. Then, making sure the clip of the connector is facing down, carefully insert the wires into the Cat6 connector and crimp using the crimper. After that, repeat the same process for the other end of the cable and yours should look something like this. Finally, if you possess a cable tester, go on Discover mode and insert one end of your Ethernet cable to the tester and the other to the remote adapter. Make sure that pin 1 on the tester is matched with pin 1 on the adapter, checking that all 8 pins match. If done properly, all pins should match accordingly. There you have it. That is how you terminate Cat6 Ethernet cables. Thanks for watching.